Hidden FACEIT Anti-Cheat Requirements. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, let's learn what is IOMMU. It is a hardware that manages how devices access memories. It maps device visible addresses to real physical memory. Also, it blocks unauthorized devices from reading, writing memory, preventing DMA attacks. So, now, what you can do is click on Windows R on your keyboard. It will open Run, and here type in MS Info 32 and then press on Enter. Here, you'll find baseboard manufacturer. Simply copy this. After you do this, open a new tab and search how to enable virtualization in and then paste your baseboard. It may be different according to your computer, so simply go through all the process. In my case, it's ASUS, so I'm simply gonna go to the official website of ASUS and do as they say. You can also reboot your PC into BIOS and find virtualization settings and enable them as well. Another thing, after you've done that, open Windows Security. In Windows Security, on the left side, click on Device Security. In here, click on Security Processor Details. And in here, confirm everything aligns with FACEIT AC requirement, which is your status. After you do that, you're good to go. These are hidden FACEIT anti-cheat requirements. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.